Hi, my army. How are we all doing? I have something a little different for us today. Normally, I do reviews of lingerie, panties, bikinis, scandalous kind of stuff, or adult toys, male adult toys, female adult toys, dolls, you name it. But today I have something extra fun and definitely up our alley. I have a epic large format SD card. Yay! So part of a big thing that obviously comes into being an influencer is that you have to have good equipment. If you don't have good equipment or the right equipment, it's going to make your recording life difficult at best, especially now with so much 4K 60, 4K 120, 8K coming, that you really want to make sure that your SD card is up to snuff and is going to meet your requirements without slowing you down. Because if you don't have the right kind of card, if you don't have the right size of card, or if your card isn't as highly rated, then it's going to slow down. It's not going to read and write as quickly or as easily, or it's going to overheat in your camera. And those all lead to big no's when it comes to creating content. The really awesome people at Sanshow SD sent me this really awesome card. Now, I specifically asked for a card that I know that I need more of, and that I wanted something that was a better quality than what I currently had. For me, it was a larger card that will be used in TC's professional camera. I use this one specifically for the Canon R5. This helps for producing my 4K content. It is also used for when taking high resolution photos. And having something that's quick and going to record that fast is important, because the last thing you want during a photo shoot, especially if it's action-packed, is you don't want to have to be stopping because the card needs a minute or the card isn't reading or writing fast enough for you. This card was epic and definitely fit exactly what I needed and was hoping to achieve. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more tech tips or camera behind the scenes action that I know you guys are going to want to absorb and learn. The packaging was really nice. It came in discreet packaging, bubble wrapped multiple times. I love the packaging. It's this cute little box, tells you exactly what it is right on it. And then you open it up and it's got all the little foam. And then here is the card in a little plastic safe case. This card in specific is the CF Express Type B 500 gigabyte gold card. It does not disappoint. It fit all of my criteria. It allowed me to read and write quickly and fast so that my 4K videos, no problem, it ate them up and just asked for more. There will, of course, be a link directly to this specific card and to the Sanshow SD website in the description below for those who are curious, so don't forget to check that out and go take a look. Some of the key features is that it offers steady high-speed shooting, definitely important. Data recovery service, ooh, that's also really helpful because it sucks when some data gets lost. They also offer hassle-free returns and, this is kind of key guys, a 5-year warranty on their cards, which is great because if you have any problems with the card, you can contact them for warranty and then you can have your card brought back up to high standards and continue on going. This one in specific is 500 gigabytes, which is half a terabyte, but they do offer this all the way up to a 4,000 gigabyte, which is a 4 terabyte card. That's really great because you don't want to run out of space. If you're producing a lot, or if you're like me, you like to have a fun, wide range shooting day, so you shoot a lot of stuff. You don't want to have to be switching cards partway through, especially because it never finishes right at the end of one project or one thing you're filming to the next. So quite often it'll be split between the two, which is never something that you want. The read and write speed on this is really good, which is key when it comes to getting an SD card. The reading speed for this is 1,950 megabits per second. The write speed is 1,650 megabytes per second. This card was specifically designed for high-speed recording, so it is perfect for 4K 30, 4K 60, 4K 120, that's exciting, or it'll help you to record at 8K 30. 8K is coming, guys. Be forward thinking, get a card that allows you to record at 8K. The Sanshow SD card is currently on sale on their website. It is roughly $270 depending on the size you want, which is cheaper than a lot of the other cards I've seen online. It provides a better quality of read and write than quite a few models I've seen online for similar pricing. So if you're looking for high quality assurance, not only is there a 5-year warranty, but they are very comparable to all other models and allows for excellent quality. So I hope that's helpful for you guys who are looking for your tech tips and what to use when doing an influencer style blogs or just recording content in general. Get yourself a good quality card, because then you're going to have the best you can. Even if you're not recording 4K, you're just recording 1080, you still want something that has that high speed capacity, because it allows for your slower speeds to still record on something that is above and beyond able to handle that. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to check out sanshowsd.com for all of the range of cards and other tech equipment. I hope that you guys won't forget to click the subscribe button, because prizes are coming your way. Ooh, you just got to subscribe to get those. And the videos that you're going to see on your screen are other things I know you're going to like from my channel. I hope that you guys have a great time and you like my tech tips. Bye for now.